Hi there. Welcome back to Chuo, your trusted guide for choosing the right university course and shaping your future. If you've ever wondered what it's like to turn your passion for water, sustainability, and problem-solving into a meaningful career, you're in the right place. Today, I'm unlocking the world of engineering hydrology and showing you why this degree could be your perfect match. So, what exactly is engineering hydrology? It's the science and engineering of water, how it rains, flows, collects underground, and interacts with the environment. In this program, you'll explore how to analyze water systems, design infrastructure like dams and drainage, and help manage Tanzania's most precious natural resource, water. Think of it as a blend of science, technology, and hands-on engineering. You're preparing to tackle floods, droughts, and water supply issues with real solutions that make a difference. Now let's look at what you'll actually study. The core modules are as fascinating as they are practical. Hydrology and Watershed Management introduces you to rainfall, runoff, and the journey of water through the environment. Hydraulics and Fluid Mechanics dives into how water moves through pipes, rivers, and channels. Trust me, it's more exciting than it sounds. Groundwater Analysis uncovers underground water systems and how to use them sustainably. In Water Infrastructure Design, you'll get hands-on with building irrigation networks, water supply systems, and even flood control structures. And with hydrological modeling and software tools, you'll become savvy with programs used for flood prediction and climate analysis. Beyond lectures, you'll jump into fieldwork, labs, and real-world projects, making learning practical, fun, and engaging. So, what do you actually take away after 4 years? Here's the good news. You'll graduate with skills that matter. You'll analyze rainfall, rivers, and groundwater to assess water in different regions. You'll design infrastructure that supports communities and agriculture, ensuring sustainable water use. You'll predict floods and droughts using models and software, and most importantly, you'll learn to think critically and solve complex problems. These aren't just technical skills, they're tools to create real change in the world. What comes next? Careers. A bachelor degree in engineering hydrology opens doors everywhere. You could be a hydrologist, tracking and managing how water moves through the environment, or a water resources engineer designing systems for a reliable water supply. Maybe you want to be an environmental consultant guiding projects that protect our planet. There's also flood risk analyst, dam safety engineer, hydrogeologist, climate change analyst. The list goes on. Whether it's government, private sector, or NGOs, your expertise will be in demand, both in Tanzania and abroad. And don't forget, African students are making waves studying and working across the globe in this field. So what makes engineering hydrology special? And what are the challenges? It's unique because it combines engineering with environmental science, letting you solve problems that impact millions. You'll work outdoors and in labs, learning how to protect Earth's most vital resource. But it's also challenging. You need to be comfortable with math, science, and computers. Fieldwork can be demanding. Solving environmental issues takes patience and accuracy. But if you're up for it, the rewards are huge. You'll help shape the future of water sustainability and community development. If you love science, care about the environment, and want your work to matter, a bachelor degree in engineering hydrology could be your gateway to a brilliant career. Thanks for watching Chuo, where your dreams connect with the right education. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos just like this. And remember, subtitles are available to help you follow along. Perfect for everyone, including African students studying abroad. See you in the next one.